So you got yourself a brand new OnePlus 6. First thing you need is a case and a screen protector. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the official OnePlus 6 cases and the official screen protector. Welcome, I'm Zilla, and the cases I have are the classic Sandstone protective cover, the red silicone case, the official 3D glass screen protector, the ebony wood protective bumper cover, the carbon bumper cover, and last but not least, the nylon bumper cover. The bumper cases cost $27.95. The protective cases and the silicone case and the screen protector are £17.95. Consider using the link in the description if you are interested in purchasing these, because it helps me out and helps the channel grow. So let's take a look at the nylon bumper cover first. The back material is very grippy, very nice feel in the hand, very similar to the ballistic nylon you used to get on the back of old Motorola devices. You have the OnePlus logo here stuck on the back, a nice divot, so when you use the fingerprint sensor there are no issues. Very nice generous cutout. The top has a microphone cutout. On the right, we have a cutout for the alert slider and the power button below this. On the bottom, there is a cutout for the headphone jack, microphone, USB-C charging port and the speaker. And on the left-hand side, we have the volume rocker. On the inside of this case, there is a nice microfiber lining to prevent the rear glass of your brand new OnePlus 6 getting scratched. Putting the phone in the case is nice and easy. As you can see here, there is some lip protection, even with the official glass screen protector applied, just enough. Looking at the back of the case, you can see the cutout is perfect around the camera and doesn't impede the usage of the fingerprint sensor. If we take a look at the bottom, you can see how perfectly aligned the case is. Take a look at the phone from the front because many of you have asked me to show you how the device looks. As you can see, the screen protector goes right up to the lip around the screen, so it's very well protected. The alert slider is very easy to access and works without any issue, and the buttons are very easy to press and tactile. So that is the nylon protective bumper cover, my favorite. Next up we have the carbon bumper cover, very similar to the nylon cover. The only differences are this is slightly slimmer and there's no microfiber lining on the inside. This is the carbon bumper cover and this one's the nylon one. And you can see the nylon one is slightly thicker than the carbon one. Now let's put the phone in the case. As you can see, very easy to do. Very similar to the nylon cover. Same amount of lip protection there. I'm just going to show you around the case so you can see how it looks on the OnePlus 6. Same cutouts, same buttons, which you can see for yourselves. I'm rocking the mirror black OnePlus 6, so you have some idea how it will look on your device. The back doesn't attract fingerprints very easily, as you can see, and it has a very nice smooth matte finish to it. Finally, take a look at the ebony bumper cover on the OnePlus 6. Exactly the same as the carbon bumper cover, the only difference is the design on the back, and again, no microfiber lining. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. So let's take a look at the official protective cover. This one I have here is in the sandstone finish. It also comes in other finishes such as carbon too. This one's a lot thinner, a lot less protective than the bumper cases. Inside is a smooth black plastic finish and it feels very light in hand. Obviously, this sandstone finish provides a very nice textured grip to the back of your device, and being glass, you want to be having that protection. Now if I bring my OnePlus 6 in here, it clips on very easily, no issues at all. There is no lay on the table protection here. There is no lip around the screen, especially when you are using the official glass screen protector. You have got a cutout here for the volume rocker. The top is completely exposed. On this side you have a cutout for the alert slider and the power button, and of course the bottom is also completely exposed. On the back, the cutout there is perfect for the camera and the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, there is a slight bit of protection for the camera, around about 1 millimeter. So if you do place this on its back, you will not damage the actual lens itself. There is also more protection from the bumper cases for the camera and the screen, but you get what you pay for. There are 3 advantages of this over the bumper case. Number 1, it's £10 cheaper. Number 2, it's a lot easier to hold in one hand, so you have more grip there. And number 3, it feels a lot more ergonomic and easy to use than the actual bumper cases. So who would use this particular type of case? I would say anyone who works in an office, wears a nice suit. I definitely wouldn't recommend this if you work on a building site or if you have a manual job. I'll just show you the actual phone from the front with the case on. Really nice. Again, I would highly recommend this one. Finally, out of all the cases, let's take a look at the red silicone cover. You've got a OnePlus logo stamped into the back of the silicone. Nice cutout for your camera and fingerprint sensor with a divot again. The top has a microphone cutout. There's a cutout there for the alert slider and the power button, which is also covered. The bottom is completely open, and on this side you have your volume rocker, which again is covered. It's a very high quality thick silicone, feels very smooth, not as grippy as I thought it would be, but that title lies with the Sandstone, which is the most grippiest, followed by the Nylon cover. Inside you have a microfiber lining, so it will protect the glass of your OnePlus 6. Only this and the nylon bumper cover have the microfiber lining inside, something to bear in mind. Let's slip the phone in there so you can see for yourselves. And bear in mind, I already have the official glass screen protector applied to the screen. You have a very little lip protection, as you can see, especially when you have the thick glass screen protector applied to it. The back cutout is perfectly aligned for the camera and the fingerprint sensor. There is a millimeter or 2 of protection right there. Alert slider has no issues, and all the buttons are very clicky and very responsive. Of course, the only concern here is the bottom cutout. I'm just showing you it here so you can see how thick that silicone is if it does land flat. However, if it does hit the metal frame, like on a jagged surface, you will end up damaging your device. Now let's move on and look at the official glass screen protector from OnePlus. So inside the packaging we have a dust removal sticker, a hard plastic squeegee, and a microfiber cloth. I'm not going to show you how to install it. I'm just going to show you it already installed and talk about it and let you know what I think. It is a fairly thick glass screen protector, as you can see here. There is a black bezel that runs around the actual edge of the screen protector itself, but it is full adhesive. It's very easy to remove any bubbles, and it goes on virtually from edge to edge and side to side, with a tiny gap for any case you choose to put on the phone itself. It's very smooth, very responsive, and easy to clean off any fingerprints from this screen protector, and of course it's much nicer than the plastic one you get with the phone. Switching on the screen, you can see it's very responsive, no problems there. Clarity is crystal clear, and there are no issues with visibility either. You can see at the top there, when you do apply it, I will give you a top tip. Be careful, because if you hide the notch by placing black bars either side of it, then make sure the black bezel here under the notch lines up with those black borders. Otherwise, what will happen is this will cut into the viewable area of the display. As you can see there, perfectly applied, easy to line up, and very easy to use. What OnePlus says is to use the included case that you got in the box with the phone to line up the screen protector during application. So there you have it. That was my review of the official cases and glass screen protector from OnePlus for the 6. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. And remember to use that link in my description, as it helps me out and helps the channel grow. And until next time, this is Zilla saying take care. I will see you all again real soon, and peace.